Go figure, day number 13. Here's why I can't say yes, at least not yet, I told Max. I have to talk to my advisors first to see what they think. I'll get back to you in 2 days. No problem at all, said Max. I'll talk to you then. I immediately started contacting my advisors, and that includes you. Think of what you would tell me about the action figure plan and share that with one of your parents or teachers or another adult. Then read on about what I heard from my advisors and compare all the ideas. The future comes from the ideas that we discuss and follow. But first, I have to tell you something important about gathering advice. Lesson on the left. Take your time with big decisions and get help. Ask people you trust. Others can see things that you can't. Many brains are better than one. So this is a huge lesson as well. Take your time with big decisions and get help. There's so many different things in my life that I reflect and I think back on big decisions that I had to make, decisions that you'll have to make, big decisions that you've already made. For me, where was I going to go to college? Wrestling was a huge part of my life. Deciding where to go to college, where I would want to further my academic and athletic career, that was a huge decision. Decisions, tiny decisions that you make day in and day out, those decisions add up to be your life. And I'm talking about decisions in school, decisions out of school, middle and high school, heck, even elementary school. You're going to be or you've already been put in situations that are not easy. You're going to be seeing drugs and alcohol. You're going to be seeing people bullying and being cruel to other people. You're going to be part of a group where you think to yourself, I don't know if I want to be part of this group. And it's tough to make those decisions. One of the most valuable things that I did as a kid, I was very fortunate in that I could be open and honest with my parents. Whether you can or can't, everyone has their own different situation. Find people that you trust, find people to confide in at your school, your principals, your guidance counselors, your teachers, your coaches, your parents, your aunt, your uncle. Find someone that you trust, that you can confide in, that can help you with your situations. Please don't feel like you have to keep these difficult, challenging situations to yourself. Others can see things that you can't. Many brains are better than one. And even though your parents, teachers, even though we may be uncool, we do have experience in life. And there's a good chance that we have gone through something that is the same or very similar to what you're going through. Understand that. Older people, though we're uncool, we do have experience that can help you. And in professional fighting, I had an inner circle. Think of that's a term, a phrase, your inner circle. I had an inner circle. I had my brother who was an advisor. I had my manager who was an advisor. I had other fighters that I trusted that I could ask situations about contracts and different fight situations. Don't think that you have to handle it all yourself. Seek guidance from people you trust.